We'll explain how to pass a urine drug test with Certo and Gatorade. This method is backed by science, and we'll explain why it works. Certo Detox is an easy and effective method that will temporarily make your urine clean from marijuana and other drug metabolites. You can use it for home drug tests, but lab tests can reject your sample after using this method. Here's what you need to do. You need 2 packets of Certo, a 32-ounce bottle of Gatorade or Pedialyte, or another electrolyte drink. You can even use electrolyte powder and mix it with water. 3 hours before your drug test, mix a packet of Certo in the bottle of Gatorade. Drink this mixture. During the next 2 hours, refill the bottle with water and drink again. Urinate frequently. That's all. If you want to increase your chances, mix another sachet of Certo in the bottle of Gatorade and drink it before bedtime. Here's how this method works. THC, the main ingredient of marijuana, is stored in body fat cells. From those cells, it is continuously released into the blood. Then it is excreted into the urine and detected by the drug test. Gatorade contains sugars. When you drink it, the level of insulin in your blood increases, and the breakdown of body fat stops. As a result, no more THC is released from the fat cells and excreted into the urine. Certo is fruit pectin, which is an excellent absorbent. 75% of THC is excreted through the intestines. From the intestines, THC is reabsorbed into the blood and can end up in the urine. Certo absorbs THC in the intestines and prevents its absorption into the blood. As a result, the concentration of marijuana metabolites in the urine decreases, and you can pass a drug test. Drinking a lot of Gatorade will also make you frequently urinate, flush the remaining THC from your bladder, and clean your urine. Want more information on how to pass a drug test? Like this video and subscribe to our channel.